Guys, from Verna through Poriabat, when you go to Loutolim, on the way you get this waterfall. It's a beautiful waterfall where many families come over here and enjoy. It's a very safe place. It's a top view. A very safe place to come with your families and enjoy yourself. Friends, as I have told you, we can see all these guys enjoying over here. They all enjoy this waterfall. I would like everyone it was a nice splash. I will request everyone to like, comment, share and subscribe so that you get to see more waterfalls, more other better places than ever. You can see the way they climb from this place. Go ahead and sit. See the way they take water on their body. I know I'm sure they must be getting good massage. So guys, as I have said, please do subscribe and comment so that it helps us to give you better and better places from all over Goa. Well guys, this is exactly the top view. I can show you how it looks like. This is the top view. So if you really want to enjoy yourself, the right place to come. It's on the top hill of Verna Loutolim road.